Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have my most used summer handbags and a handbag reveal at the end, so y'all are gonna have to stay tuned. Now, before we get started, I'm Jamie, and on this channel we talk about all things luxury handbags, neutrals, and elevated style. Okay guys, let's get into the summer handbags. My first summer handbag is the Estelle tote. Now this handbag is my favorite tote when it comes to farmers market. If you watched my last Chicago vlog, you would have seen this tote in action. And can I say that this is such a beautiful espresso brown that is this colorway, and I fell in love. It checked all the Luxe Petite handbag boxes when it came to the perfect chill chic farmer's market tote, and a lot of times I'm just wearing it on my shoulder, and I love how carefree and chic this handbag is. My next handbag is the Celine wallet on strap. Oftentimes you can see me wearing this handbag in the summer when I'm going to dinner. It's just like such a classic chic handbag because you can take the strap off. You can see that this handbag you can adjust. There's a strap here, but I can easily remove it and just have it as a clutch. And another thing that I love so much about this bag is the logo here. It's much more understated. It's not the gold logo that you see a lot of times when it comes to the Celine Triumph bags. It's more understated, and I love this combination of the tan leather with the raffia. It's just a different mix. I really just instantly fell in love when I saw this handbag, and I knew I needed to add this to my collection. But yeah, it holds actually a good amount. It's your standard kind of like wallet on chain strap type of capacity handbag, but I really love this one. Just it's like functional for a wallet on strap type of bag. So chic. My next handbag is the Birkin. This is an iconic handbag, and of course this handbag I love to use for dinner. In fact, I actually use this for dinner this evening. It's perfection. The leather, the Togo leather in the size 25. I just love the way it looks. And of course I had my Rodeo here, the Pegasus. It's perfect. I love the colorway in the gold. I think it's the perfect Birkin bag for my collection. This neutral brown handbag lover. But it really is just such a special handbag. I'll be honest, I kind of baby this handbag a little bit, seeing that, you know, this is one of the most beautiful, best handbags in my collection. I just use this handbag all year round, so very special, but I just love using it. It's so chic and an icon. Next up, we have another icon, and it's the Lady Dior. This colorway in this buttercup yellow took my breath away the first time I seen this back in Las Vegas. Actually, I had like a it was a Las Vegas handbag vlog at the time, and that was the very first time where I saw this beautiful shade of yellow, and it took my breath away, and I was never able to get it out of my mind. And so when they reintroduced this in another collection, I had to scoop this up. So this is the Lady Dior in the ABC version in the small size. I'll be honest guys, when it comes to the Lady Dior, I think the small size is perfection. Honestly, a little bit fussy with in terms of the square shape and how you're able to put things into the handbag. I can only imagine having the mini, even though honestly I still think about adding a mini to my collection, but the small size hits all of my items that I want to put into this handbag. So I'm a big proponent of the small size. But yeah, this is a beautiful shade of yellow, and as we know, yellow, it's the trend right color right now, so this colorway is perfection. This beautiful buttercup yellow, can't get enough of this one. Next up handbag is, this is a personal favorite of mine because I had my fellow handbag bestie Caleb and Zane gift me this LLBean boat and tote for my birthday. And did they just know me so well, and they got it in this beige and the canvas combination with my initials. It's so adorable, and honestly guys, it is so functional. I just love it. And look at the structure it has. I don't have anything in it, and it's just such a great like bag that you can just carefree take this handbag for summer. So I love this one. I love having it in the summer. It is like one of my go-tos. It's so easy, effortless, so chic to style. I love the way that Caleb has his bow and toe, and he added all the charms. So I'll probably look to add a little bit of a charm or a twilly to this one. It's definitely a handbag that I just love having in my collection. So thanks Caleb and Zane. So the next handbag is this Longchamp mini cutie, and I fell in love with the cute design and of course with the leather bits on this one. It's such a carefree, easy little mini tote. In this strap, it's removable, so of course I could just have it as a handheld or just use it as an easy crossbody or shoulder bag. I tend to use it as a crossbody. Longchamp for me is such an easy to use and chic brand, so I love this one, and it's been just one of those carefree grab and go type of totes. Last and certainly not least is the big reveal, and this has been one of my latest additions for when it comes to summer handbags. This is my Coach. I fell in love with the blue color. Look at this blue bell color. At the time it was marked down, so it was like, why not? I think a lot of my handbags I tend to probably overthink when it comes to adding them to my collection because they tend to be super expensive, right? But this Coach handbag, you know, is already discounted with the seasonal colorways, and I'm really drawn to blues with these pastel blues and pinks. But this blue color I think is so fun for summer, so I certainly added this one. One of my favorite creators, Melissa from Melissa Adams Way channel, she has this in the beautiful sage color. So this one in the bluebell, you know, I'm gonna agree with her. You know, this particular style is so easy to use and fun. So just, you guys can see here, and I like how it's got the brown tan colorway. This one you'll see a little bit on my channel a lot when it comes to style. I just think it's so grab and go, and I love a good top handle. So certainly this is a favorite. But certainly for a more of an affordable pick, I think this is top for summer handbags, and it's fun, right? So there you go. Okay guys, well that is it when it comes to my most used summer handbags and a handbag reveal. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what your thoughts are of my picks, and let me know what was your most used summer handbag. I'd love to hear it in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. All right guys, take care.